Uneventful apartment, pretty basic kind of situation going on in the main living level. But I heard some good things about this place, and I'm wondering when those good things are going to start. It could be behind this door here. Some wonderful, well, I don't know about that so far, but oh, it's getting a little more interesting. Huh. Somebody has taste. Oh, a completely unfinished attic space that you get with this house. Dark and creepy. That's inviting. There's potential here. What could the icing on the cake be, I wonder? I don't know. There it is. There it is. Pee-wee Herman, afraid of the skylight and the skulls hiding underneath it. Excellent. This is a one-show rental.